welcome po sa Lucban, sa lahat ating Villaverde. So sabi nga na maraming salamat po sa ating po mga kapamilya at tayo po ay nakita-kita na. So ito po yung simula ng ating sabi nga na bonding ng mga Villaverde at nakita-kita na po tayo na.
Concepcion, isang karangalan na ang ating Villaverde ay tawagin kabayo. Nakinig kayo, bakit karangalan? Sapagkat kami mga Villaverde, mga binata, ay hindi mo makikita ng maglakad na papunta sa isang malayong lugar na hindi nakasakay sa kabayo.
Villaverde, edad ay 81.
Ako si Casiano Ratasa.
Ako si Carita Villaverde. Ako po ang asawa ng Jun Villaverde.
Carmen Maria Villaverde!
Hermano Villaverde! Kami po ang asawa ng Juan Villaverde.
Silvicio Villaverde!
Kaya kapag babalikan po natin noon, ngayon, at magpakailanman, nakaugat po tayo sa lahi Villaverde. Ngayon at kailanman, ngayon at kailanman.
Family is the cornerstone of our identity. It's the thread that connects us to the past, present, and future. Today, we delve into the rich tapestry of the Villaverde clan, exploring our shared history, traditions, and the bonds that make us who we are.
Lucban Record Holder Certificate. The oldest living Lucbanin as of 2025 at the age of 140 years and 215 days as of now. No? So Mrs. Magdalena Villaverde Hardin Yaak was born on July 22, 1920 in Lucban, Tayabas, now Quezon, to her parents Roque Hardin and Beatriz Villaverde. Her first husband, Bienvenido Avalos, passed away at the age of 35, and they were blessed with 4 children, Benjamin, Dominador, Shirley, and Benita. She later married Macario Yaak, with whom she has 2 children, Godelio and Elizabeth. Nanay Nena, as she is popularly known, is the oldest living Lucbanin as of 2025, according to the record of Lucban Historical Society. As of now, this day, she is 104 years and 215 days old, making her the oldest living Lucbanin as of 2025. Given this 27th day of February 2025, during the Villaverde family reunion, attested by Cornelio Ananyeses, President, Lucban Historical Society.
Ito na noong 1920.